Hi! In front of me is POCO M4 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings and click on connection and sharing. Then select printing and tap on default print service. Now just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use a different service, disable this one first by choosing blue switcher at the top. Go back. Click on Add Service and install the best one for you. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings and click on it. Then just wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!